Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError cannot concatenate str and float. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a string and a float value in Python. To avoid this error, you need to convert the float to a string before concatenating it with another string. Here's an example. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In the above example, we first tried to concatenate a string, name, and a float, age, without converting the float to a string. This results in a type error because Python cannot concatenate a string and a float. To fix the error, we need to convert the float to a string using the str function before concatenating it with the other strings. We do this in the second example by calling str age to convert the float age to a string before concatenating it with the other strings. This produces the correct output without any errors. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.